Imagine waking up one morning and the moon is just gone. No glow, no tides, no trace. And then, telescopes across the planet catch it. A black void, hovering exactly where the moon used to be. But it's not just emptiness, it's a black hole. Tiny, silent, and powerful enough to reshape Earth's destiny. No, this isn't a Hollywood blockbuster. This is a thought experiment powered by Einstein's physics and real astrophysics. What would happen if our familiar, glowing satellite, responsible for tides, stabilizing our planet's tilt and lighting up the night, suddenly collapsed into a black hole the size of a city block? Would Earth be pulled in? Would time distort? Would we even survive the first hour? Get ready, because this is not just science. This is cosmic survival. What if I told you a black hole moon wouldn't suck Earth in like a cosmic vacuum, but it would still destroy life as we know it? Contrary to popular belief, if the moon turned into a black hole of the same mass, Earth wouldn't spiral into oblivion. According to Einstein's general relativity, gravity depends on mass, not form. The black hole moon would still exert the same gravitational pull on Earth, maintaining our orbit. So technically, our planet wouldn't be yanked into it. This black hole would be about 0.1 millimeters wide. Yes, smaller than a grain of sand, but denser than anything on Earth. The visual moon would vanish. No moonlight, no tides, no nighttime balance. Earth would become eerily darker, and a cascade of disasters would begin. Picture the stars shining brightly, but no moon. Just a cold, black emptiness staring back. What happens to Earth when night loses its guardian? The absence of the moon would plunge our nights into deeper darkness. For millions of years, moonlight has lit up ecosystems, guided ancient calendars, and influenced behavior across animal species. Now, gone. For humans, the psychological effects would be immediate. Circadian rhythms disrupted, sleep cycles skewed, and ancient cultures shattered by the loss of their celestial companion. But the effects go deeper. With no lunar gravitational pull, Earth's tides would shrink by nearly 75%, drastically affecting ocean currents, marine life migration, and coastal weather patterns. According to NOAA, many species rely on the lunar tide cycle for reproduction, feeding, and navigation. The moon isn't just a pretty nightlight. It's a cosmic engine running parts of our biosphere. And now, that engine has collapsed into a black hole. The black hole doesn't chase you, it waits. But its absence echoes everywhere, especially in the oceans. Without the moon's gravity, Earth's oceans would spiral into chaos. Currently, the moon's pull creates bulges of water on opposite sides of Earth, the tides that rise and fall predictably. Now, those bulges collapse. Coastal tides shrink by up to 75%, and in some areas, virtually disappear. According to NASA and oceanographic models, this would severely disrupt thermohaline circulation, the deep ocean conveyor belt responsible for stabilizing Earth's climate. Fish populations would vanish from traditional routes. Entire marine food chains would collapse. Shoreline habitats like estuaries and salt marshes, key breeding grounds, would degrade within weeks. The loss of tidal flushing would allow algal blooms and dead zones to increase. For billions of marine creatures, the disappearance of the moon would be as deadly as the black hole that replaced it. And this is just the surface. Earth's balance is starting to tilt. With the moon gone, Earth doesn't just lose balance. It starts to dance a dangerous, unpredictable spin. The moon acts like a stabilizer for Earth's rotation, much like a gyroscope on a spacecraft. Without it, our planet's axial tilt, currently steady at about 23.5 degrees, would begin to wobble chaotically over time. According to astronomers at the University of California, Earth's tilt could swing between 10 degrees and 85 degrees, radically altering the seasons and climate zones. Imagine Antarctica rotating toward the equator, or the Sahara shifting toward the poles. Entire ecosystems would collapse as weather patterns spiral into extreme versions of themselves. Some regions would plunge into permanent winters, while others would burn in endless summers. Crop seasons gone, rain cycles broken. The moon's gravitational grip kept Earth in line for billions of years, and now, like a spinning top slowing down, Earth begins to teeter, sending humanity into a new age of climate chaos. The moon doesn't just pull tides, It pulls mind's instincts and ancient rhythms. Without it, Earth becomes unhinged. For billions of years, the moon has been the silent conductor of nature's rhythms. With its light gone and gravitational influence erased, life on Earth begins to lose its biological compass. Nocturnal animals, such as owls, bats, and moths, rely on moonlight to hunt, migrate, or mate. Without it, their behavior shifts. Many become confused, disoriented, or even extinct. According to research in biological reviews, coral reefs synchronize their spawning with the lunar cycle. Now that's broken, but it doesn't stop there. Humans, too, are wired to the moon. Sleep patterns, mental health, even menstruation cycles have long been linked to lunar phases. Studies show that full moons subtly regulate melatonin levels and circadian rhythms. Without this natural clock, sleep disorders could spike, mental health conditions worsen, and cultural rituals disappear. The moon was our first calendar. Without it, even time feels broken. In its place now looms a black void, and the chaos is just beginning. From ancient myths to modern science, the moon has always been our cosmic companion. But if it vanished into a black hole, Earth would follow. Not immediately, but inevitably, into the darkness it left behind.